Looking to showcase your creativity to attract clients. Learn how to create a stunning UGC portfolio in Canva that stands out. With easy-to-use templates and design tips, you will have a captivating portfolio that highlights your unique style and styles, which will elevate your brand. Let's dive in. So, hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make UGC portfolio on Canva. So first of all you have to do is open a browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage. You have just to create an account and you will get started and you'll find this page. So in this video we'll explore UGC or user generated content, which is any content created by individuals, not brands, that enhances authenticity and engagement. Stay with us until the end where we will share tips on how to effectively showcase your UGC portfolio on Canva and why it's essential for attracting clients. Don't miss out on valuable insights to elevate your creative career. Let's dive in. So first of all I have to do is just click over create a design and you'll find this page we have here for you: docs, whiteboard, presentations, social media, video, custom size, upload, and more. So we click over website and you will find this. So we have just to select the one you want. So I will select portfolio website, of course, and we'll find this page. So as you can see, right now you have just to select the templates that you want. So for example, I will just select this one. And I will select this one. So here we have it. So right now I will delete all these things because I will add my own. So I will just go here, or I will just select firstly the background. I'll select, for example, this one, or I will select this one, it's better. So right now I will just go to the text and I will add a heading. So I will select here which color I want. For example, I will select this one. Then I will select here bold. I'll put it here in the middle, it's better. Then right now I will select the size. For example, I will select 72. And I'll go ahead and I will just add, for example, my name. Then I will add also here a subheading. I will add it here. Then I will choose also the size. For example, I'll choose 42. Like that. And I will choose here italic, of course. Then I will add here, for example, UGC creator. Then I will go to the temp elements here and I will add, for example, here the phone number. I will just go here and I will write the phone number. I will go to the text. I will add a little bit of body text and I will just select it here. I'll put it here like that. We'll add, for example, the number of phone. Then I will just come back into elements. I will select also this one. For example, I will select here. I'll put it here, for example. I will just click over here and duplicate it. Then right now I will just also add this one. And I'll put it here. And here I will just come back to text and I will add a little bit of body text and I will select it here. I will write it here, for example, I will write Instagram. YouTube, and we have here TikTok. So we have just to write your Instagram here, and your YouTube, and your TikTok, and then I will also add something here. For example, I will select here this one, and this one, and this one. So first of all, I will add email, for example, here. Then I'll add also the fork and spoon. So this is it. Right now I will just go to text, and I will write text, and we'll add a little bit of body text. I will add this one here. I will add another one. So right now you have just to write your email address, and you have to write your location here, and then write here the name of your restaurant or your snack. For example, here I will write here the location, for example, New York, and write the city and street. Then also I will write here the name of your snack, for example, fast food New York, like that. And this is it. You have just to write your Instagram here, for example. You write your Johnstones, your channel YouTube, and your TikTok, and then you'll click on publish website and save it. And this is how it works with make UGC with Canva.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.